Naad Wellness combines three of the most important pillars for our holistic well-being: Ayurveda, yoga, and naturopathy. It's just a quick drive away from New Delhi. They focus on restoring the balance of your mind, body, and spirit. We stayed at this sprawling 50 square meter royal suite that has a private deck with garden views with a plunge pool right next door. Ayurveda believes that our bodies constitute the balance of the 5 elements. We started with a detailed session with the expert team of Ayurvedic doctors who gave us our custom-made meal plans depending on our body's primary forces of Vata, Pitta or Kapha. Welcome to the land of holistic wellness. This is the reception area in Naad, and this huge, grand, spacious area that you see, that is the waiting area. What I love about this place the most is that there is natural lighting coming in from so many different areas. Even at the ceiling, there's a big place for ample amount of sunlight to come in. And this place is practically surrounded with indoor plants and trees, and it's a sprawling 3 acres property. This, what you see behind me, is Ahar, the place where we have breakfast, lunch and dinner, basically all meals and all kinds of refreshments too. So it's lunchtime here at Naad, and what you see here is a specially curated menu. Every meal is customized as per the person, and this is the all-vegetarian meal that has been curated specially for us as recommended by our Ayurvedic doctors here. And I love the fact that each and every vegetable that you see here has been freshly picked. And I'm about to dig in and just head over for our next session. Salman and I were totally in awe with the Himalayan salt cave experiences created by Naad. These Himalayan salt caves are beneficial for clean and healthy lungs. We also experienced Abhyanga, which is a traditional Ayurvedic therapy massage that uses medicated oils and it improves sleep. We ended our day with a dip in the plunge pool. Naad Wellness is perfect for you if you too are looking for inner peace, calm mind, healthy body and a happy heart. It's so quintessential for us to start looking at holistic well-being given the stressful times we live in. You are just a long weekend away from a refreshed you. So this gym is equipped with all the latest equipments that you will need to stay fit while you're staying at Naad. And I love the fact that it is so spacious, especially with the sunlight coming in. They also have outdoor yoga sessions, but you can choose where you want to do your exercises. So you practically start your day here with your yoga sessions, and we also were taught the oil pulling process, which is really amazing, and it is extremely important for your oral hygiene. What I personally liked about these yoga sessions is, depending on the person, your body type, how comfortable are you with your exercises, they customize these sessions for you. So this is the reflexology track that I'm walking on, and our Ayurvedic doctors had recommended 15 minutes of walking here. This is the best kind of reflexology, and foot reflexology is known to stimulate your pressure points, that in turn keeps your body organs healthy. Say hello to the best part and my favorite part about staying here. This is their mini golf course, which is on the 3rd floor, and it's available to you at all times. So apart from all the massages, relaxation and hammams, they also have so many outdoor activities that you can just pick up a racket and come here on their courts. They have 2 huge badminton courts and a tennis court, and I love the fact that it's surrounded by vegetation all around. Just fabulous, right in the heart of nature. So we are right now in the herbs garden, and this is the reason why all the food that you have here tastes so yummy, delicious and absolutely fresh.
Thank you, Naad Wellness, for helping us live a healthy, vibrant and a fulfilling life. Healthy lifestyle is our life mantra thanks to them. So ask yourself, is your current life and work stressful or causing you anxiety? Do give Naad Wellness a try and let us know your experience, guys.